Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Glitch Toilet from Skibidi Toilet. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off in the center and let's draw 2 lines down for the nose bridge. Now I'm going to zoom in on the head so we can get the details. Next, underneath, let's draw the nose with 2 curves down, joining them at the center. Next, let's hop to the sides and let's add the eyes. Let's draw a curve on both sides. And then add a curve underneath. Next, let's move inside and let's draw a curve at the top. And then one more smaller black curve inside. And lastly, for the eyes, underneath, let's draw a small curve down. Next, let's hop up to the top and let's add the eyebrows. From the top of the nose lines, let's bring it up on both sides. Then let's add 2 wavy lines down, coming to a point. And then color both of these in black. That's it for the eyebrows. Now let's move down and let's draw the mouth. Let's start next to the nose on the left and let's draw a curve out and bring it down. And the same on the right. Now underneath, let's draw a curve across. And then another larger curve down, like this. Next, let's hop inside and let's add the teeth. Let's draw 2 lines down and a curve across the bottom. Then inside, from the center, let's draw 2 curves in, leaving a gap in the middle. And lastly, for the mouth, let's draw the lower lip with a curve underneath. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop out and draw the shape of the head. Let's start on the sides and let's draw a line down on both sides like this. Then from the bottom, let's curve it down and in for the chin. And then a curve on top to close off the top of the head. Next, let's move to the sides and let's add the ears. Let's start with a curve on both sides. Then inside, let's draw a line down and a curve at the bottom. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw 2 curves down for the neck. And that's it for the head. Now let's move out and draw the toilet. Let's start on the side of the neck and let's draw a curve down, around, and back up on the other side. And let's do the same thing around it and larger. Next, let's move underneath and let's draw the bottom part of the toilet. Let's start with 2 lines down in the center. And then a line across the bottom. Next, from the bottom corners, let's angle it back up on both sides. Now from both top and bottom lines, let's angle it out. And then one more angled line to close off each one. Now from the top corner, let's angle it back into the seat. Next, let's hop inside into the triangle sections and let's draw a curve inside at the top. And then one more curve down underneath. Now top to the sides and let's add some details. Let's start on the top right corner and let's draw a small rectangle, 2 curves out, and another longer rectangle at the end. Now top to the left side and we're going to draw 2 angled lines out, and then 2 more underneath. And then a rectangle at the end. And that's it for the bottom part of the toilet. Next, let's move up and let's draw the top part. Let's start on the top left of the seat and let's draw a curve going out, and the same on the right. Then underneath, let's angle it back down. Next, let's hop in slightly and draw a long line up, and the same on the right. And then connect it at the top with a line across. Now top to the top corners and let's draw another angled line down and out on both sides. And then bring it back down. Next, let's hop inside and let's add the details. Inside at the top, let's draw a rectangle. And then add another rectangle inside for the border. And then inside at the top right corner, let's draw 4 rectangle shapes. Next, let's hop down next to the head and let's draw a line out and down on both sides. And then inside, a line across at the top. Next, let's hop over and on the right side, let's add a small rectangle and then a longer one on the top left. Then under this one, let's add 3 small circles. Next, let's hop down and let's draw another rectangle shape behind the head around the mouth level. Let's start by drawing a line out, down, and back in on both sides. Then let's add some vertical stripes inside. And that's it for the main part of the toilet. Next, let's hop to the top and let's add 1 more rectangle. And again, let's add a border inside. And then add some vertical stripes inside. And that's it for the glitch toilet. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!